All right, today is an exciting day, not only for me, but for Contard. Because today, he's going to buy his first drift car, project car. He's had this truck that we're driving in right now, you know, since he could drive, 16, since he was 16. And ever since I known him, he's been wanting to get a project car, something to have fun with, because all of us at work, you know, have our own little pieces of crap we work on. So he's been wanting one, and actually locally, literally 2 minutes away, there is an S14 with a, you know, stock KA, has some wiring issues, but it's for the right price. Pretty solid car overall, mint interior, you know, quick release, short shifter. So it had some goodies on it already.
Steering wheel.
Yeah, steering wheel, all that. So
all the good.
It was worth it, and yeah, you excited?
Yes, very much excited.
He's very much excited.
Don't know
all right.
how I feel, but very much excited.
Yeah, he already went, got the title, so we've already looked at it, got the keys, and so we've already looked at the car. So he went, got the title. No, you keep going. You just, did bill of sale, title, all that, whatever the weird things you got to do in Louisiana. And so now we're just literally going around the block, around the corner to go pick up the car. Let's go get it. So the actual owner of the shop that it's at right now isn't here, but we already have the keys. We have everything we need, so just Contard and I loading this up by ourselves. Oh, let's look at it. She got some hail damage, it seems. Yeah, you know.
Just a little.
But overall, it was for the right price, and it's a complete car. Got to see the interior. Ooh, interior is pretty mint. Like, just finding these door cards are hard. And he said he wants to wrap the dash. You know, he has his own things he wants to do with it. Got the Nardi with the energy quick disconnect. You know, he's got his own 240. Connor's got a 240.
I got a 240.
Perfect. Connor getting pictures of the car, loaded up, looking good. About to take it back to my house and then relax. Oh, AC. But we got the car. It is hot out. We are both perspiring profusely, but we got the car. It's on the trailer. Got the title.
And it's hot.
It's in his name. We got the heat. It's in the sun. And
keeping it mostly professional.
Keeping it mostly professional. That's right. We're done now. Well, pretty much done. We could just leave it on the trailer. I don't really need to get it off the trailer for anything.
We're just beginning.
Oh, this is just the beginning, guys. This is just the beginning. Look at this Joan. Look at this Joan. Look at this Joan. Look at it. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Let's see what she's got.
Oh. Just a little K.
Just a little KA.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, it's got some wiring issues, but apparently the motor's good. We haven't done a compression check, but we will be doing that. Aftermarket radiator, probably from eBay, but if he gets a shroud, that should be all good. He's gonna take the AC out, so AC is weight, he says.
AC.
And yeah, clean her up, tidy her up, fix the wiring. We're just gonna send it.
She's good, bro.
She's good. But yeah, clean interior. I've already shown the interior. A little handle damage, a little dents here and there, but hey.
Hey.
She's a drift car.
Hey.
She's hot boy AF, bro. Looking good.
She's good, bro. Yeah, bro.
All right, that's gonna be it for this video. A little short, but hey.
Hey.
Get your friends into drifting. I mean, he was already into it, but we finally just got him one, which is super exciting. So now he's got his own S chassis sitting in the graveyard with mine right here. So this will be my little drift pig. This will be his. We want to make them pretty, but not too pretty, because, you know, we might put each other's doors in or something. So mostly pretty and mostly professional. So that's going to be it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked it, leave a like down below, comment, and subscribe for more of this shenanigans.
Turn on the bell.
Turn on the bell, right, for more notifications on this shenanigans. All right, y'all. Thanks. Take it easy.